Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you an essay. Topic of our essay is Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. It is also called Deepavali. Diwali is celebrated all over India. Let's start our essay. Headings of essay on Diwali. First is introduction, second significance, third religious side, fourth environment, fifth downsides, and last is conclusion. Let's start our essay with first heading introduction. Diwali or Deepavali festival is a grand celebration of Hindus. On this day, Lord Rama returned to his home at Ayodhya from Vanvas after defeating the demon Ravan. It is primarily celebrated in India, but it is glorified around the globe. This festival is also known as the Festival of Lights, as it signifies the victory of light over darkness. People celebrate this festival with great enthusiasm. We celebrate Dhanteras and Choti Diwali day before the main festival, and Bhai Dooj right the next day of Diwali. Significance. In every corner of India, Diwali is celebrated by almost every community. This is a sign of unity. The festival of Deepavali brings several communities together. Deepavali is a fusion of love, respect, oneness, and cultural values. People forget their disputes and try to forgive everyone on this day. On this occasion, the Hindus worship the goddess Lakshmi, who is considered the god of wealth and prosperity. Merchants and shopkeepers open new account book on Deepavali. Markets get crowded because before Diwali comes the festival of Dhanteras and later Bhai Dooj. Religious side. Diwali is somewhere directly related to the religious aspects. For Hindus, it is a celebration of a returning of Lord Rama after completing his exile. According to Ramayana book, Lord Rama returned to his home at Ayodhya with his wife Sita, brother Lakshman, and his huge devotee Hanuman after he defeated the demon Ravan. When Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya, the people of Ayodhya welcomed him by lighting clay lamps. Since then, this practice has become a custom, as Lord Rama was welcomed by lighting deep clay lamp. This festival is called Deepavali. Festival environment. People start cleaning their homes days before the festival of Diwali as they believe that the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi, enters home this day. They dispose of all the waste and junk from homes and paint them colorfully. Apart from houses, markets also glitter amazingly. Markets fill with crowds of customers. People purchase clothes, ornaments, home appliances, etc. on the day of Dhanteras. Shopkeepers see a significant surge on their sales. On the night of Diwali, all the family members get together to worship Lord Lakshmi Ganesh. After that, we enjoy firecrackers, sparklers, and various fireworks. Deepavali's dark night looks awesome when colorful firecrackers pop up in the sky. Downsides. Even if the festival of Diwali is a symbol of victory over evil, the very next day of Diwali there is seen a high surge in air pollution because of bursting fireworks. This surge is not good for our health and our environment. Last is conclusion. To sum it up, we can say that Diwali is an extensively celebrated festival in India. This celebration is interpreted as a representation of victory over evil. But as we know, bursting firecrackers harms our atmosphere as a high surge in pollution has been observed. So, we should try to celebrate environment friendly Deepavali and spread awareness among people for the same. Thanks for watching. If this video will helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe and share with others. Thank you.